Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Coders Lobby. Today we are going to learn about array. So before moving ahead, first we should know what is array. Array is the collection of same type of element in a single variable. Usually a variable can store only a single value at a time, but a array can store multiple value at a time in a single variable. So that is about array. Now let's move to the Visual Basics editor to understand the concept of array practically. Now we are in the Visual Basics editor. Here first we'll declare the string of array. Suppose the array name will be coding languages and the size of array will be 1 to 5 and the type of array will be the string. So it is string type array. Let's initialize the each element of the array. So first we'll copy this coding language and paste it here, and inside the parenthesis we'll pass the index of element and the value of first element will be VBA. Like this we'll create the 5 element 3, 4 and 5. Let's change the name of each value: Java, Python, C and C++. Now let's change the index of element with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this is the initialization part of all the element of a array of string. Now suppose we want to access the element 4th. So for that we'll use msg box and we'll copy this code language 4 and we'll paste it here. Now let's move to the Excel and try to run the macro. Okay, we are in the Excel, and as we click on the array button you will see the element at index 4 will get populated in the message box. So let's click on this and you can see at the index 4 the element was C. Now let's again move to the VBA editor and change the index with 1, and let's see what the value will get popped up in the message box. You can see at index 1 the value was VBA and it is populated in the message box. So that's how we can use array in VBA. It's a single dimensional array. In the upcoming videos we'll learn about multi-dimensional array as well. So thanks for watching the video. I hope the video is useful for you. Please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update whenever we post the videos to our channel. You get the notification first. We'll meet in our next video. Till the time, bye bye.